In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a task to repeat daily. If you want a task to automatically come back every day, this is a simple feature that can save time and help you stay consistent with recurring work. Whether it's a daily reminder, a regular follow-up, or part of your routine planning, setting a repeating due date makes sure you don't have to recreate the same task over and over again. To begin, either create a new task or open an existing one that you want to repeat. Once the task is selected, look inside the task panel for the due date field and click on it. This will open the date picker, which is where you manage when the task is due and how often it repeats. After the date picker appears, move to the bottom of that pop-up window and click the option labeled Set to Repeat. This opens the repeat settings for the task. If you don't see it right away, just make sure you're looking at the full date picker panel since the repeat option is typically located toward the bottom. Next, set the frequency to daily or choose every 1 day if that's how the setting is displayed in your workspace. This tells the system that the task should repeat once every day. It's a good option for habits, recurring responsibilities, or any task that needs regular attention without manual rescheduling. After that, choose your preferred end criteria. You'll usually have a few options here. You can set it to never if you want the task to continue repeating indefinitely. You can choose after a certain number of occurrences if you only want it to repeat for a limited time. Or you can select on date if you want the repeating schedule to stop on a specific day. The right choice depends on whether the task is ongoing, temporary, or tied to a deadline. Once you've selected the ending option that fits your needs, click Done to save the repeating schedule. At that point, your task will be set up to repeat daily based on the settings you chose. And that's it. You've successfully configured a task to repeat every day. If you're managing routines or recurring to-dos, this is a great way to stay organized while reducing repetitive setup.